Yo guys, today we're talking about Premiere Pro. This is for you guys who wants to learn making a video, whether it is for a vlog, tutorial or any kind of video that you like but don't know how to use a Premiere. You came into the right place. Today I'm gonna share with you guys with a very simple way and detail how to use a Premiere. So gear up, find a comfortable place, get yourself a coffee or a boba tea. Without further ado, let's open up Premiere Pro. Let's open up Premiere CC. I'm using Premiere 2019. Yours might be a different year, but the layout will be the same. There is no so much change. First, I will be clicking the new project. Here you can name your project and save your project where you want. I'm gonna save the project at the folder that I already created. To do that, simply just click on Browse. Select the folder. I'm gonna choose Premiere Basic here. Okay, select folder. And then naming the project. I'm gonna name it Premiere Basic. Premiere Basic. Here you have a video rendering and playback. If you have a GPU, just choose the Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration. Don't use the software only. And this one, just leave it alone. You can choose on this one, click OK. Premiere will open up the editing tab for you. Now we have the editing tab. We have project panel here, the source panel, program panel, and timeline panel. In the project panel, this is the place that you import your video that you took, music or sound effect. To do that, just simply double click the area and choose the video that you will import. I'm gonna use these two clips for the video, or you can do it by simply open up the folder, just drag into your project panel, or you can do it by clicking this panel, hold Ctrl+I and export your video. And here's the bonus tip for you guys. Remember to learn about the keyboard shortcuts. It's gonna be helping you edit more faster. The next step is double click the clip, and the clip will show up at the source panel. In the source panel you have a bunch of tools. Here we need to use mark in and mark out for the clip that we want. I like it to start here, so I'll be mark in this place, or simply just click on I on my keyboard. And I want to end it here. I will click O on my keyboard. It's marked out. Before dragging the clips into our timelines, we need to create a sequence. Here's the timeline, so the no sequence. It means that we don't have a sequence, so we'll be creating a new sequence. To do that, hold Ctrl+N. Here Premiere has a bunch of choice. Depends on your needs, you can customize it, but usually I'm just using 1080p with 24 frames per second. This one. What 24 frames per second means is that your camera captures 24 photos for making a 1-second video. And if you want to customize your frame size, click on Setting, Editing Mode, choose Custom. You can edit your frame size here, but today I'll be using 1080p, so click OK. You can create your sequence by clicking on the File, New, and Sequence, but I just show you the shortcut. Now we have a sequence. What video that you put in your sequence will be show up in the program sequence. Now let's drag a video to our timeline. Simply drag the video to our timeline. Now the program sequence will show the video that you drag. And I will import a music too. Ctrl+I. Open. Okay, double click on this music. This is the in point that I want. Out point. Simply drag it to our timeline. Here you can shrink your timeline or expand your timeline by drag it, or simply just hold Alt plus mouse scroll. Okay, I will be dropping the second clips. I want it to start here and end here. Click on this clip, right click, unlink. I don't need the audio, so I will delete the audio, drag it down, and I will slow it down to 50%. With this clip I can slow it down to 50% because my shot was taken by 50 frames per second. At the program panels, you have a lot of tools here. Normally, I'm just choose the select playback resolution. I turn it to half to have a much faster playback because sometimes our computer is not that good. We need to reduce the playback resolution to half. You can learn this tool by searching at the Adobe Premiere website. Now I already have clips on my timeline, but now the footage is not that interesting. Let's put a little effect to our clip. This is called speed ramp. To do that, simply click on the FX box, choose time remapping, click on speed. I will leave my timeline and use your pen tool. Here is your pen tool. I would like to speed it up here. Click on it and type V on my keyboard. Go back for selection tool. Drag it to 400%, make it smoother by drag to extend. Do the same for end of the clip. And the second clip, I will do it too. The second clip was shot by 120 frames per second. I would like to speed up here. Click on P, click on V, drag it up to maybe 800%. Drag this one. Okay, now we have it. The speed ramp effect. Speed, slow again. And you have effect on your project panels. Click on effect, choose video transition, dissolve. I'm gonna using a film dissolve to end my video. Here you have another effect. There is a lot of effect here, you need to learn it one by one. I will be applying the third effect. It will be at the source panel. Choose effect controls in your clips. You have a motion, opacity, and time remapping. Each one of these gonna serve you a different purpose. I'm gonna use a scale up effect today. I just call it scale up effect because we already used the time remapping effect or speed ramp. We cannot add the scale up effect like this. We need to nest the sequence. How to do that is right click, choose on nest. I will nest the both clips. Click on the icon here, toggle animation. Now you're adding a keyframe at the starting point of your clips. I will end this clip with 120 scale. Okay. Now your clip will scale up slowly. Watch it here. And I will be applying on the second clips. Click on toggle animation. And it here. Add another keyframe. I'll be using 130 here because the clip is pretty long. Now there you have it, the scale up effect. effect, but sometimes it will help a lot to make it more interesting. Okay, now we have our video edited. Now we can export it to become a video. Click on the timeline, File, Export Media, or you can just use a shortcut Ctrl plus F. The format that I'll be using today is H.264. This is the normally that I use, and the presets. I'm gonna use a high quality 1080p HD. The output name is the place that you want to save it on your folder, and you can name it whatever you want. I will name it Premiere Basic. Okay, export video, export audio, and don't change on this area, just leave it alone. If you want to maximum render quality, you can just click it. Normally I don't use the maximum render quality, I just leave it alone and click on export. There you have it, your video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. Let me know at the comment below what videos that you want to make, because I love to know about that and do a little bit chit chat with you guys. Hit that like button if you like this kind of video, or dislike this kind of video. Everything will be appreciated. Remember to subscribe if you aren't, and let's meet again in another video.